When an employee makes a complaint, you have two choices. You can either brush it off and hope it goes away, or you can take it seriously and handle it right away. Because here's the truth. What you do next could protect your company or put it at risk. Complaints are often your first warning sign that something is wrong. Whether it's harassment, unfair treatment, unsafe conditions, or poor leadership. And most of the time, people don't speak up unless it's already gotten bad. So when someone finally comes forward, that's your moment to step up, not shut it down. If complaints are ignored, or if an employee feels dismissed, things escalate. Productivity drop, morale takes a hit, turnover goes up, and yes, lawsuits, audits, and retaliation claims start rolling in. And the worst part, the entire team is watching how you respond. They see that complaints go nowhere. They stop trusting leadership altogether. Here's what you should do when a complaint comes in. Number 1, acknowledge it. Don't downplay or brush it off. Number 2, document everything, dates, times, witnesses, and actions taken. Number 3, investigate promptly. Don't wait weeks. Look into it ASAP. Number 4, stay neutral. Don't take sides until you've reviewed all facts. And number 5, follow up. Let the employee know you took it seriously, even if you didn't find any wrongdoing. And remember, whatever you do, don't ever retaliate. That's the fastest way to land in legal trouble. At Voyage Employer Services, we help our clients create a clear complaint procedure, train supervisors, and handle investigations the right way, with confidentiality, professionalism, and compliance in mind. We're here to protect you and your team. Employees' complaints are not interruptions, they're opportunities. They give you the chance to fix what's broken, support your team, and build a better workplace, but only if you take them seriously. If you need help creating a compliant process or managing workplace concerns the right way, let's talk. Visit voyage-es.com or give us a call. Voyage Employer Services, building better workplaces, empowering people.